Nestled deep in the heart of the forest, a tiny home stands as a testament to the beauty of simplicity and the power of living in harmony with nature. Surrounded by towering trees, the gentle rustling of leaves, and the soft whispers of the wind, this small abode serves as both a refuge and a celebration of the natural world. It is a space where every detail, from the design of the home to its placement in the forest, reflects a deep respect for the environment and a desire to live as one with it. At first glance, the tiny home blends effortlessly into its surroundings. Its exterior, crafted from natural materials such as wood, stone, and glass, mirrors the colors and textures of the forest. The wooden walls, stained with rich earthy tones, almost disappear against the backdrop of the trees, creating a seamless transition between home and wilderness. Large windows stretch across the walls, allowing sunlight to pour in and offering unobstructed views of the forest. Inside, the space is flooded with natural light, creating an open, airy atmosphere that makes the home feel larger than its compact size. The beauty of this tiny home is not just in its design, but in its intention. It is a place where modern living meets the natural world in a sustainable and meaningful way. Every aspect of the home is built with the environment in mind. Solar panels on the roof harness the power of the sun, while a rainwater collection system ensures that the home is self-sufficient. The use of reclaimed materials adds a layer of sustainability, reducing the impact on the environment and breathing new life into resources that would otherwise go to waste. Inside, the home feels like an extension of the forest itself. The interior design is minimalist, with simple, functional furniture that doesn't detract from the beauty of the natural surroundings. Wooden floors, exposed beams, and stone accents create a sense of warmth and comfort, while the soft, muted colors of the furniture and decor evoke the peaceful serenity of the forest outside. The open layout fosters a sense of flow, allowing the indoors and outdoors to coexist seamlessly. The living space transitions effortlessly into a small kitchen, dining area, and sleeping nook, where comfort and simplicity reign supreme. One of the most special features of this tiny home is its deep connection to the land. The surrounding forest becomes an extension of the home, offering a private sanctuary for relaxation, reflection, and recreation. Outside, the garden is wild and untamed, with plants and flowers that seem to grow effortlessly in the soil. A small patio or deck provides the perfect spot to sit and watch the changing seasons, whether it's the vibrant green of spring, the golden hues of autumn, or the serene quiet of winter. The sounds of the forest, the chirping of birds, the rustle of leaves, and the distant call of wildlife become the soundtrack to daily life, enhancing the feeling of living in sync with nature. Living in such a tiny home surrounded by nature also fosters a sense of mindfulness and appreciation for the present moment. There is no room for distractions or unnecessary possessions, only what is essential for a life of peace and contentment. The simplicity of the space encourages a slower pace of life, where time is spent enjoying the small joys: a walk through the woods, a cup of tea by the window, or an evening spent watching the stars. The home and the forest work in harmony, teaching a profound lesson about the importance of connection not only to the natural world but to ourselves. In this tiny home, every moment is a reminder that true happiness doesn't come from accumulation or complexity, but from embracing the natural rhythms of life. It is a place where the beauty of nature and the simplicity of design come together to create a life of fulfillment and peace. Ultimately, this tiny home in the forest is more than just a shelter. It is a sanctuary. It stands as a quiet reminder that, in a world filled with noise and distractions, there is something profoundly beautiful about slowing down, simplifying, and reconnecting with the earth. It is a space that invites us to live with intention, to appreciate the small things, and to find peace in the natural world that surrounds us.